5. Part 5 na. So, dito tayo kay first shout out is from Ems Apple Vlog. Shout out Ma'am Ems Apple Vlog. Okay, yan. Kita-kita na. Babasa na. So, play tayo ng isang video. Ito, latest video ni Ma'am. Oops! As agad. Magaling. Maganda ang pinakita ni YouTube. Anyway, mamaya tayo comment. Second shout out to Munda family, Munda and family. Shout out ma'am and your family. Okay, next, play the one video. This one is your latest video. Shout out. I'm suffering from asthma. Shout out. Gihubak ba? Nagbipi ka ka? Yep. Okay. Pare lang da. Next shout out. Okay. So, Munda Shelbin. Shout out. Please support our channel, Munda Shelbin. Bunda. Sorry. It's Bunda Shelbin. Let's play one video. This one. One video for your mom. Okay. Playing one video from Bunda Shelbin. This one. Okay. Later on, we'll comment on their video. So it what tayo? Eat. Okay. Yan. Sarap. Nakulog pa. Nakuman sa Lidas TV? Nakuman na siya. Ako lang ng pangon sa TV ha kay wala mo kakuan sa salita. Kita okay na? Oops. Speaker is crying. Charot. Comment. Okay. Let's comment. Like mo na. So, like tayo kay Ma'am Ems Apple Vlog. And then comment. Beautiful collection. Okay, yun. Next. Comment tayo. Ito kay sino to? Nakalimutan ko. Bunda family. Bunda family and then Bunda Sheben. The same first name? Coincident? Okay, it's okay. Bunda. Okay. Bunda is the family. Bunda and family. Okay. Anyway, comment tayo. Delicious mukbang. Definitely delicious mukbang. Okay.
Yan, mata na ko.
Oh.
Pamilawas, hindi ikaw na.
Yes. Oh, hindi. Ito dito. Okay. Maglasa sa kong video ano eh. Unya ba? Usa pa ka video ba? Part 6 no? 6 video for shout out to this day. So next Bunda Selben, comment tayo. Great performance. Great performance. Ay, yun na. So, kain muna tayo. hotdog na paborito natin. Yummy. Next. So, umabot na sila ng 6 minutes, 7. So, shout out tayo sa ibang nagko-comment sa atin. Shout out tayo kay Pili tayo pili. Pili tayo pili. Ito na lang. Ito. Lebaston program. It's an food vlog.
Akong cellphone is nakabilin.
Ha? My wife forgot her cell phone. So, this one. Shout out Lebaston Lebaston program. Okay. Maya mag-comment tayo. Tanong na kay Kara. So most of the previous video I played is already reached 6 to 7 minutes. Okay. So we have to select another video or another ito tayo. Nag-1 lagi ka. So, shout out tayo kay Ma'am Susana J. Jose. It's raining here in the Philippines. Susana J. Shout out, Ma'am. Let's play one video for you, Ma'am. Okay? Yun. Ito yung video ni Ma'am. Okay. Mamaya, mag-comment tayo. It's another video. Okay. Shout out tayo kay Ulik Lito Ribun. Ulik. Ulik. Si Boss Ulik. Okay. Yun, no? Yun. Si Ulik. Okay. Shout out sa'yo, boss. Boss, magple-play tayo ng one video for you. Dito tayo ng hindi ko pa nakita. Ito. Pang parcel unboxing ito. Naka-ads agad. So, paharang agad, boss. Okay. Live lang dito. Boss, punta tayo sa cut mo na. Punta tayo sa part 6.